G'day guys, in today's video I've got a iPhone 13 and I want to get this into recovery mode. How can we do that? What is the quickest way to do that? Typically I find with these, with the iPhone 12s and newer, you can press volume up, volume down, power, and hold that. It will restart the phone, so it's also useful if you need to just restart the phone because it's locked up for whatever reason, or you think it may be dead, hit volume up, volume down, power. But for the sake of getting into recovery mode, I'm just going to keep holding the power button. So I'm still holding it right now. Look at the Apple logo. The Apple logo has disappeared on us. May require to have the USB cable plugged in. So I think in this instance it does want the USB cable plugged in. So I'll just quickly plug that into it. So I've now plugged it in. I'm still holding the power button with the Apple logo. My computer's just acknowledged it, and I've now got that. So simply have the USB lightning cable plugged into the computer, volume up, volume down, hold power, keep holding it until you see this screen. Hope that helps. Bye.